Brand new design, brand new model, and available right now. The new Fountaine Pajot FP44, with her huge success when she was announced last year, timeline has jumped to almost 2 years. So having one in the US available right now is really not to be missed. Hi folks, welcome aboard the brand new FP44. My name is James Tiernan with ACY Yachts. We're the largest Fountaine Pajot dealer in the world, and today I'm in Annapolis at our headquarters to take you on a tour of our stock FP44. She is available and she is for sale. First, quickly on the background, Fountaine Pajot has been building boats since 1976, so coming up on 50 years this year. They know exactly what they're doing when it comes to safe, comfortable cruising catamarans. The new 44 is part of a whole new design concept from Fountaine Pajot. For me, what I can see is a strong evolution over time. This is not a great idea some French guy came up with last week. This is a concept that has evolved and been perfected over the past 50 years. The FP44 is specifically designed to be a safe, comfortable, well-performing live-aboard cruising catamaran. Let's dive right in. Starting aft, you will see she's equipped with the platform. This is a hydraulic dinghy platform, but also serves as a swim platform, dive platform, beach club, and for me the biggest benefit is giving you all this extra real estate that can serve as extra boarding access. Think about the access from the dinghy, with groceries, with dogs, with grandparents, with kids. No need to dance around the narrow transoms anymore. Moving into the cockpit, you'll notice the new design and how connected the interior and exterior spaces are. This creates great indoor-outdoor living space to keep you connected with your friends and family no matter where you are on the boat. The cockpit can comfortably dine 8 to 10 guests, with more on the interior for the nights you have the whole anchorage over for dinner. Moving up to the helm, my favorite design feature of the Fountaine Pajot. This is where I think she really shines in terms of safety. Totally protected and totally connected. All the lines are LED here, so once you have it set up right, you never have to leave. From here, you'll get to see what is likely the most popular spot on the boat, be it on the dock, under sail, or on anchorage, the upper lounge. You get the sun, the breeze, and a 360-degree view. This is the perfect spot for the co-pilot while under sail. So, another tip of the hat here to the designers and their focus on safety. You'll notice how easy it is to access the boom. So you really do not need to be a gymnast to get to the mainsail like you might need to be on some of the other flybridge models. Now, let's talk about the interior. This is my favorite layout, which is the full maestro with the storage workshop forward in the owner's cabin. You can alternatively order it with the full shower room plus head forward like you will see on the Elba and Estrella. But personally, I like having this extra room. It's great to have the workshop storage forward to be able to work on little boat projects on the rainy days on anchor. On the guest side, you will see each cabin is nice and spacious with nice big berths that have access from either side, and of course all are ensuite with head and shower. While we're here, you'll notice the new integrated solar, which is becoming a trademark of the Fountaine Pajot design. As we move towards silent sailing and less need for diesel, this is becoming more and more important. I'd love to talk to you more about the new fully electric hybrid technology, but we really don't have time today. Please get in touch if you'd like to really deep dive the latest tech. Forward of this, we have the second best place on board to hang out while underway or at anchor. The forward cockpit. With acres of sun lounging space and comfortable cushions, this is a great place to end the day watching the sunset. Guys and girls, thanks so much for joining me today. There is so much more to see, and I would love to talk to you more about the nitty-gritty, like engine specs, tankage, sail areas, pricing. So if you're interested in those finer details, please reach out and I can give you your own private one-on-one virtual tour, or better yet, get you on board. Again, I'm James Tiernan with ACY Yachts. Thanks for watching and hope to see you on the dock sometime soon.